Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to sign out of your Indeed account. Logging out keeps your account secure, especially if you're using a shared or public device. So, let's get started on how to sign out of Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Settings from the menu. Select Account Settings from the options. In the drop-down menu, find and tap on the option Sign Out. And that's how you can sign out of Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.